Hi there everybody. On today's video I have this Toyota Auris. This is a 2015 and I'm just going to be checking the brake light bulb on the rear cluster here. And to do that, even if you need to change it or if you need to change one of the other bulbs, what we need to do is open these 10mm screws. They also have a Phillips head on them, so you can use a Phillips screwdriver. And then it's just a matter of basically pulling the cluster out. So I sometimes maybe help myself with a little something like this, because it just needs to be pulled out basically. But I'm just using the rag because I don't want to damage the paint. So once you pull it out, so it's just plugged in with this little thing here, plugs into that bit there, and that's what we're trying to pull out basically. So then we have access to a couple of bulbs here. This can be a little bit hard to twist sometimes. That's the bulb there. Just gonna leave the cluster hanging there, but this bulb is definitely burnt. It is damaged inside, which is probably I think it's intermittent, but you can see the filament is already burnt inside. So this type of bulb is a P21W, 12 volts. Just to make sure that these are the same, because some bulbs have these little pins in the different locations. So one might be higher, the other one might be lower, or even they are offset. So these are like in line, but sometimes you may get that a little bit more on that side. So just make sure you replace it with the correct bulb. So once you have the right bulb, got my bulb here. Just a matter of pushing it in there and twisting. So push it and twist, and then it's locked. Just quickly check. Yep, that's working okay. So then just a matter of refitting that back in there. Locking it into place. That other bulb down here is for the indicator. There's an orange one down there. The rest are LEDs, so we can't really change those. That's it. Then we just need to line up the cluster properly. There's a little notch here that fits into the groove in here. So make sure you get that in the right place. That's it. And get the screws back on. Don't need to over tighten them because they're only going into a little plastic thing. So, and that's it. So hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.